what's up guys? Welcome to another vlog. Yo, it's been so long since we even vlogged on this channel, but you guys already know, same old car, the G of course. And I haven't watched this in so long because I've been driving it a lot. I mean a lot more than usual. But yeah, let's go, man. Yeah, this is my this is my main office, man. I feel like I'm always in here. Let's make sure the windows, the mirrors. All right. Yeah, man, I feel like this is like my main office. I thought my GoPros were working. Both of them are out, so most likely, I hope it's the battery, not the actual GoPro. I have some bright lighting here, but yeah, man, welcome to another vlog. Let's get out of here. I gotta go meet up with my barber, as you guys can see. Look, I look crazy right now. But yeah, welcome back. I just stopped somewhere around here. I had to get the tires. For some reason, I'm having a slow leak from the back tires. So, you know, race car problem, man. So since we're having that slow leak, I'm gonna have to replace that tire soon though. I don't know if it's like, I don't know, it usually takes a couple of days since, you know, I drive this all the time. We just pull up. Look at her, man. She's just chilling here, right next to the Tesla charger. Anyway, I'm just about to meet up with my barber right now, and this is our first step for the day, man. All right, guys. So I finally got a fresh cut right now, man. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to take over the world right now. you know, Source just hooked me up. Source, you good?
Hey, man. This is my favorite client in the whole wide world. He's a guy that, you know, came into my life, and he just brighten it up. Each day we laugh. Every time he come in, we crack a joke and we get it done. Look at this man, sharp as a tack. Follow me at Hair by Source on Instagram,
gotcha.
Facebook, Hair by Source, and also Art by Source. Check me out on all platforms.
All right.
On my girl watching her glow up. Rich nigga still in the neighborhood store eating cocoa. Yeah. Street nigga, bitch, I'm in the Bentley doing donuts. Yeah. Taught myself how to get millions, ain't nobody.
Of course, guys, you already know we had to stop then, but some E85, of course. But not that I'm on E or anything like that. I just want to make sure that I fill up, because you never know where you're gonna find another E85 station. So why not? We're just stopping over here.